next video. In today's video I will show you how to render a 3D model in your Flutter app for Android. So this video is specifically for Android, and also we will be loading this 3D model from assets. So firstly, if you are interested in iOS, I have already made a video on this in March of 2023, so you can check that out. The reason I'm making this video again for Android, because there were a lot of boilerplate code for Android, and I have simplified a lot of code for Android. That's why I'm making a video on this. If you are interested in how to load 3D model from network in Android, you can check out the other video. I have also uploaded that on my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So as usual, create a Flutter application. After that, for first what you will have to do is you will have to go to this website called Google Filament repo, and here you will have to download this three files. This is because this is for background for rendering our 3D model. So here you can see this is our background, and otherwise if you don't use this file, your 3D model will be completely black and you will be confused on whether it is rendering or not. So just download this file for now. Next you will have to go to this GLTF models 2.0 Fox GLTF binary. You can download this Fox GLB model as well. If you are interested in other GLTF model, you can use you can choose any one of this, but make sure you are downloading GLTF binary. Next, I am also showing this model in this website called GLTF viewer, because here you can see in the animation tab, like there are three types of animation for this Fox. So survey, walk and run. So here you can see what all animations your GLTF model supports, because while passing it to Android we will be passing as 0, 1 and 2. So for survey it will be 0, for walk it will be 1, and for run it will be 2. I will show you where exactly you need to pass these values as well. So firstly, inside our Flutter application, what I have done is that I have created I have refactored our homepage widget to include a scaffold, safe area and size box. Next, I have created my 3D view, and here I am using an stateful widget. So this is a custom widget which I have created, and here you can see I have created this map of creation params, and here you will have to pass the file name with extension as well as the animation index. So here you can pass anything which you want. So you can pass 0, 1 or 2. So here I have passed it as 1. So if I make it as 0, okay, and I will just hot reload this, hot restart I mean. Okay, so here you can see the animation got updated. So here you can pass the animation index. Now you can ignore this iOS for now, like this is only for Android. So I have created this Android view. Next, where do you get this fox.glb, right? So inside Android, go to app, src main, and here you will have to create this assets folder, and here you will have to drag and drop your glb model as well as this ktx files which we have downloaded from the filament repo. So make sure this name is same, otherwise you will get issues. So fox.glb over here. Next, inside, I don't think any changes in Android manifest. Inside build.gradle, what you will have to do is you will have to include these two dependencies. So these are for rendering 3D models. Inside this build.gradle, I have updated the Kotlin version to 1.9.0. I think that should be it. Next, go to Kotlin main activity.kt, and here we are first overriding configure Flutter engine and registering our 3D model widget. So this name should be same whatever you are defined over here and over here. Next, create a factory class. Now this is like a boilerplate code which you have to write for creating every type of native Android component. Next, here we are referring my 3D view, so I have created this class for it. And if you check over here, we are first initializing our filament library. Next, I have created two variables, file name and animation index, and we will get this from the Flutter side. And like this is boilerplate code which even I don't understand. I have just copy pasted it from the filament repo, and here we are creating an object for a surface view. Next, here we are getting all these values from our Flutter side, which we have defined. So this values name should be same what you have defined it on the Flutter side. Then we are creating layout params and applying it to our surface view. Again, this code I'm not really sure, like I have just copy pasted it from the docs. Then I have added a set touch listener for our surface view, and here we are creating renderables, indirect light and configure viewer. So also I think I have extended no, I think that's fine. So here inside get view overridden method, I am just returning our surface view. In on dispose, I am removing our frame callback, and I have also added this on Flutter view attached, on Flutter view detached. So on attached, I am calling this post frame callback, and I am calling this remove frame callback as well. And inside configure viewer, again I have just copy pasted this code from the filament repo. Like this is for something related to render quality and anti-aliasing, which I'm not really sure about. Like these are like 3D models stuff, so I'm not really sure. And here we are creating indirect light, and this name Venetian crossroads underscore 2k should be same what you have defined it over here. If you have changed it, make sure you change it over here as well. And this is for creating indirect light, and this is for reading our compressed assets. Then this is for creating our renderables. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, and first I have created a frame callback, and inside that I am overriding the do frame method. And here you can see we are passing the animation index. So whatever animation index you pass, that animation will get applied. Suppose for the fox there are only 3 types of animation, so 0, 1 and 2. Suppose you pass something like 3, 4, for that we have already added a check, so you don't need to worry about it. If you pass 3, 4, 5, then no animation will be played. You will just get the fox like just the fox 3D model. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I think that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.